Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about our stock hair product, the F27 Plus. It's fine mono with a thin skin perimeter and a lace front base. So if we have a look at the base now, we can see that the fine mono base is both more durable and more breathable than French lace. We have a composite base, which means that you can actually easily cut the base yourself to fit to size, and as you can see, the skin perimeter allows you to easily attach and clean the hairpiece yourself. So this system comes with a French lace hairline and bleached knots at the front. Bleached knots are not available in colours 1 or 1A. The transitional hairline adds and enhances to the realism of the product. So the F27 Plus has a hair length of 6 inches and a freestyle direction. So it can be styled and parted in whatever way you please. It's slightly curly, and the medium density means it's especially good for people with slightly thicker hair. So the F27 Plus comes in the standard base size of 8 by 10 inches. As with all of our stock hair products, we do offer a hair and base cutting service so that the item is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. Also, as with all of our stock services, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate delivery, so you could have your new system in as little as 5 working days. If the F27 Plus particularly interests you, then feel free to visit our website at www.lordhair.com or get in touch with us at support@lordhair.com.